great marriage is not something that you drift into. It's a work of art. And one writer said it this way: in the art of marriage, the little things are the big things. It's never being too old to hold hands. It is remembering to say, I love you, at least once a day. It is having a mutual sense of values and common objectives. It's standing together, facing the world, dancing with each other when at times you might be tempted to retreat to opposite ends of the dance floor. It is doing things for each other not with an attitude of duty or sacrifice, but with a spirit of joy. It is speaking words of appreciation and demonstrating gratitude in thoughtful ways. It is not looking for perfection in each other. Instead, it is cultivating flexibility, patience, understanding, and a sense of humor. And finally, it's not only marrying the right partner, it's being the right partner. What I found about the two of you is that you already have the beautiful workings of a great marriage relationship. And if I could encourage you to just nurture two qualities that I see in you as you talk about your relationship, do these two things, you're going to be great. And the first one is you found somebody who gets you, right? You found somebody who knows your quirks, your idiosyncrasies, the things that you do, the weaknesses that you might have, the things that you're afraid of. They see those things and they're just like, I'm still here. I love you no matter what. And I think we search our whole lives to find somebody who will give us that unconditional love and acceptance. You have found that in each other, and I just encourage you to just keep doing that. You know that there's no greater feeling at the end of the day than coming home knowing that there's somebody who's waiting for you on the other side of that door. Who's like, I'm here, I love you no matter what. And your willingness and your desire to be married and the privilege vested in me by the state of New Jersey, I now pronounce you husband.
Oh, you got stars, stars in your eyes. I know it from the way you make me feel so alive. Like I'm up on a mountainside, gazing at the night sky, but I'm just looking at the stars in your eyes. The stars in your eyes. No, I don't believe it. Every time I see it, it takes me by surprise. Your perfect light is shining on me. You're like a dream sequence. You're all up in my feelings. I see your picture, something triggers. Now you're stuck inside my head. Get out of my head, please. Get out of my head, please. Oh, oh, oh. And whenever I see you, and whenever I see you, my heart beats like crazy. Yeah, 'cause you got stars, stars in your eyes. I know it from the way you make me feel so alive. Like I'm up on a mountainside, gazing at the night sky, but I'm just looking at the stars in your eyes. You're like supernova, a beautiful explosion. I might get burned if I get close, but I'm